I am Dorothy. Upon the yellow brick road, I have the courage of a lion, the mind of a scarecrow. I have the heart of a woodsman, made of tin. Somewhere over the rainbow, I begin. Second star to the right, straight on till morning. Consider the Neverland as your first warning. The time's a clock you cannot drop in the sand, or you'll walk the plank and get a hook for your hand. Understand, we better make it back to dry land. Oi, we don't have a choice. You best use your body and your voice, for they will try to silence you and do great violence unto you. Yes, yes, my people, stand tall. Whether you are big or small, come one, come all. Whether we rise or fall, together we build bridges and knock down walls. Are you going to answer the call? Where were you on the day when history was made? What did you do? And what did you say? Who did you turn to? To whom did you pray? Or did you do nothing? Did you stay quiet? When a fire first spreads, it spreads in silence. So when you first feel that fear in your heart, light up the dark. You yourself, you must be the spark, for your life is a story, it bends in an arc. We are all merely players playing our parts. The gifts that I have, I give gladly to art. Aim true from the spirit, the head and the heart. So get ready, hold steady, and make your mark. And you must burn bright, burn true. Burn hard. Where was I? I was here from the start. And it's been real, been true. It's been hard. But I kept that love, like a lamp in the dark. And I've been hurt. I've been healed. I've been worse. When the body breaks down, it can feel like a curse. But no haunting here. No fear. No hearse. So I puffed up my chest and I tucked in my shirt, and I'll mine these gems from the dark and the dirt. Family, forget a whistle. I'm a whale while I work. I'm ready.